O mankind, we created all of you from one male and one female and made you into different tribes and different branches just for identification, so you can know each other. And surely the more respectful with Allah are those who are more fearing Allah. And today the world we are living is a world has the worst kind of tribalism. We are taught that there is no tribalism world today and there is no racism in the world today. But we are living in a worst kind of racism, and we are living in the worst kind of tribalism in the world today. Racism doesn't just mean that you have to be racist on the skin of your color or because of your language or because of your ethnicity. No. The racism, it could be also when you make a country and you want to make this country superior to other country, and you are willing to destroy other country because of your country. You can kill other people in the other country because of your country, and that is the new kind of racism. And that can be called a new kind of tribalism. When the country become a tribe and the people are living and die for their country, so they are living and dying for their tribe. And that is the worst kind of tribalism. That is the worst kind of racism, when one country is willing to kill other country because of his country. And that is normal in the whole world. If you take my country, I will attack your country. If you kill my people, I kill your people. So it is the same kind of tribalism, racism we are living, regardless, forgetting about that we are all human beings. When Pakistan India has a war recently for 3 to 4 days, there was one media personal, he was talking to one young boy, and he was telling he is from India, so he should hate Pakistan, and you should speak against Pakistan. And you said he should say Pakistan destroy. And this young boy, he said, no, I will not say this, because also in Pakistan are the people, human beings. The people living in India are also human beings. So why you as a media, why you want to destroy other country? It is not right. So that young boy can understand better than the presidents and prime minister of the countries. Why not to think that we all human beings are brothers and sisters in humanity? That is a very important message which we very badly needing today. America want to kill other countries. Europe want to kill other countries. Pakistan want to kill India. India want to kill Pakistan. China want to kill Taiwan. North Korea want to kill South Korea. South Korea want to kill North Korea. Other countries want to kill Iran. The Israel is killing in Palestine. Russia is killing in Ukraine. What is this going on in the world today? So that is the worst kind of world we are living, when everybody is willing to kill other people in the name of nationalism. And that is the worst kind of tribalism. The World War I and World War II happened is because of nationalism, and people were killed. More than 100 million people killed in World War I and World War II, and that was called racism, tribalism. Vietnam, people were killed, 5 million people killed in Vietnam, and that was a different kind of racism. Stop doing this and think that all the human beings are brothers. And there is another brotherhood mentioned in the Quran, innamal mu'minuna ikhwa. We should all believe that this universe has only one God. And when you say you have only one God, then all of us are brothers in faith. Innamal mu'minuna ikhwa. Surely the believers in one God are brothers. So if all of us should believe in one God, then we have another kind of brotherhood, which is a more stronger brotherhood than human being, that we are human and we are believing in only one God. And that is the strongest fraternity, the strongest brotherhood can have in this world. May Allah guide us. Ameen.